In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a paper account inside of Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So a paper account is essentially a demo account inside of Interactive Brokers, and in this video I'll be showing you step by step how to get one. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to interactivebrokers.com. Once you're inside of here, you can see that you'll be able to log in or open an account, but you will need to ignore these two up here and instead go up to where it says free trial up here. Once you get inside of the free trial, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll be able to read along what free trial is, but to start the process you will still need to do the start your free trial right here. From here, an application page will pop up. You'll be able to enter a username and a password. Here you will need to enter in your email address, a username that you will use to log in to Interactive Brokers. Once you get inside of the dashboard, you'll need to add in a password, confirm your password, and add your specific country. You also need to add your marketing preferences, meaning that if you want to be contacted by Interactive Brokers about futures, products, and other offers that they might have. From here, you'll just need to click Start Free Trial, and once you're done all of this, you'll get inside of the dashboard after you have verified your email address. Then from here, you can download Interactive Brokers into your PC or smartphone device. And once you have downloaded it onto your PC, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll be able to choose either live trading or paper trading, and you'll just need to click on paper trading and then enter in your username and the password. From here, you can just log into your simulation, and then you can begin trading using IBKR or Interactive Brokers. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!